Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to find videos you've watched on the Facebook app using your PC. If you've ever watched a video and couldn't find it again, don't worry. Facebook keeps a record, and I'll walk you through how to access it step by step. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will expand, and inside that, click on Activity Log. This section is where Facebook stores your actions, including videos you've watched, posts you've liked, and much more. Once you're inside the activity log, look toward the left-hand side. You'll see a section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand more options related to your activity history. Next, click on Posts, and then navigate to the option that says Videos You've Watched. As soon as you click it, Facebook will display a list of videos you've previously viewed on the platform. From here, you can scroll through your watch history and easily find that video you were looking for. This is especially useful if you forgot to save or like the video earlier. And that's it. Now, you know exactly how to locate your watched videos on Facebook using a PC. It's a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when trying to revisit content. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials like this to stay updated with the latest Facebook features.